Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can recover your deleted Google account in just a few seconds. So as you can see, I just deleted my Google account, and once you delete it, you will be redirected to this page where you can see that all my data on my Google account have been deleted. And if I want to recover it, I can click this button. So that's what you need to do. Make sure to do it fast because you have a short amount of time to do it. So you can just click here or go to the link you can see at the bottom left. Now, once you're here, you need to put your email, then hit next. And as you can see, my account has been deleted recently, so I can recover it. I'm gonna click next, enter my password, and now I have recovered my account in just a few steps. So that's how easy it is. Now you can change your password if you want, or you can just continue with your Google account normally. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.